Oh my gosh. I hate coffers and now I'm one of them. It's like so upsetting. Does that mean I hate myself? Hi friends, hi fam, what's poppin'? My name's Janae and I film home decor, lifestyle, and wellness videos. And today we are going to do a little fun holiday decor. This will be episode 1 of my holiday decorating series. And we're gonna start out with something easy because today has been a rough, dark day. The devil has tried to steal my joy, not once, not twice, but 3 mother times. But he ain't gonna win today. Anyway, today's been a little bit of a hot mess. My camera broke, and that's okay. In the scheme of things, I have food on the table, I have a roof over my head, and I have the friends and family which matter most. So, you know, this is how life works sometimes. Thankfully, I had some money saved up because I was planning to buy a new camera anyway. Yeah, also woke up with a cold. Don't know what's that about. Bailey just peed on the floor, so. Anyway, I'm gonna stop acting like a little hoochie. I did all of the shopping yesterday, and I mean, this is a lot of stuff. What the heck? What the heck? What? So yeah, I typically wouldn't buy this much stuff, but I wanted to create ideas for you guys that will work for any space, whether you are small space living, budget life living, bougie life living. Actually, I didn't get anything bougie, but I just wanted to get some options that, so that you can choose what works best for you. This is a before of our kitchen. I'm really proud of how my mom did her kitchen. She built this house last year, and I think it's so beautiful, and it was her dream house and her forever home, and I'm just so proud of her and so happy for her. But we're gonna make it look holiday fresh, yeah. Say hi, Bailey. Hi. Are you gonna help me decorate? No? Okay, okay. Just to give you an idea of what we're gonna be doing, some type of garland situation here, like zoop, zoop, zoop. And then going to attempt to hang a wreath from up here. And then other than that, I'm gonna, you know, spruce this up, make it more holiday, and then also try and do a cute little holiday station over there with like cute jars filled with holiday treats, and possibly another little holiday station here. I should say that my goal with all of this decor is to keep it minimal. So yeah, if your style is similar to that, definitely keep watching. Even if your style is not similar to that, keep watching. I think first, before anything, we're gonna make some hot chocolate. I want to try and do like a Kardashian style treat jar. I am actually going to stuff mine with some gingerbread men, some mints, and some holiday popcorn. I thought it'd be cool to just watch myself slowly consume an extra 3,000 calories a day because I will be sneaking these snacks out of the cookie jar. Absolutely, yes. Or a challenge to see if I can resist the urge. Doubtful, truly doubtful. So before doing anything, I want to wash these jars. I kind of just want to put the snacks in, and that will help me maybe not eat the snacks as often because they will be in a dirty jar. But we all know that's not true. A bish will still eat, clean or dirty. Christmas time. caramel corn cluster corn. Okay, not bad. OMG. Wait, I'm so excited that actually kind of worked. It just dawned on me, someone's got to taste this popcorn. Otherwise, how will you guys know whether it's good enough to buy or not? I guess I'll have to be the woman for the job. Get that out of my house. Get out of my house. Oh no. Oh, we don't have enough. It's so good. And actually turns out there are tree shapes. Cute.
And fish? Maybe fish for Jesus? What is that?
Okay, you guys comment down below what you think this is. Maybe it's like a little walrus? No, a seal? I don't know. Comment what you guys think this is. I think these are Swedish ginger snaps. Yeah, they're Swedish ginger snaps. So if you're from Sweden, let us know what this is. Or if you just have a bigger brain than I do. Perfect. You can totally fill these with whatever you want. Like candy canes would work, or holiday kisses, or any of the green and red candies that they have at the store. So next, I am going to try and put this garland up there somewhere, but I bought some command hooks, but they're really small and I don't know if they're actually gonna be able to hold this. It's not that heavy, but it's pretty thick. This could either go terribly right or terribly wrong. I guess we're gonna have to risk our lives on a ladder and see. It looks darker out. It is because I just took Bailey outside for the, I don't know, 13,000th time. And this time she didn't even pee. She just rolled around in the leaves, which was cute, but like, doesn't she know I'm trying to be an influencer? Garland I got, it's really pretty. It has some like white fake snow in it and a few pine cones. So yeah, let's see how it looks. This is slippery. Okay, I'm not stepping on that again. The sink is very slippery. That side is definitely longer and I think I want it to drape down further. So I'm actually going to finesse this a little bit and then show you when it's done. I'm actually going to hang up this wreath that I found. I'm gonna hang that up there on the stove. I'm first gonna add these cute bells. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or
just coming to visit. No, he will.
Oh, she's so cute.
The sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline.
All right. Bailey's excited because mommy's home.
Love those pants.
Oh, thanks, mom.
Those
It's
are the
recording.
target
You want to say hi? You look cute too.
Thank you.
Bailey's very excited to see you. Here's my vision. Here is the vision. Putting a nice tray or bowl, putting like this big bowl in the middle and filling it with garland, and then adding like nice golden candlesticks to the bowl to give some dimension, maybe? We'll see. I think it'll look a little bit more simple and minimalist. Let's just see how it turns out. Isn't probably gonna work because I don't know how to cut this garland because it is faux and I think this is wire underneath. So change of plans. Round 2, I forgot I have some cheaper garland that I found at I think Michael's, and it's easier to cut. So we're gonna fill it with this instead. Everything's finished, and now I can give you a full tour of this kitchen holiday refresh. Alright, you guys, that is it. I am finally done with our kitchen refresh, and I am in a better mood than when I started. So this was definitely a nice little pick-me-up. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, definitely let me know down below. I will link everything that I have in the description, and yeah, mwah, bye. Just remember, you ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Ayy, you ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Ayy.